I'm going to talk about anorexia nervosa and what is the impact in children age 8 to 40. What symptoms do children have? For example, depression, distorted body image, and what fact influence in these children? For example, cultural background, family, trauma, or pathogenesis. Eating disorder are illness in which people obsess with their body and with food. These tend to develop during the teenagers or adults or on and young adults years, and this most commonly in women aged 13 to 17 years old. One type of eating disorder is anorexia nervosa. It's serious mental illness because people have distorted body image. They thinking that they think it they thinking they are overweight when they are underweight. In anorexia nervosa, in children start their illness when considerably overweight. And more practical diagnostic for these children determined food avoidance, overconsumed weight and shape, and they are vomiting on laxatives. This. Um, um, Children may present with marked food avoidance, gross disturbance in the experience of their body or shape. Factors do influence in these children are genetic factors, hereditary, is height in anorexia nervosa and non-exist in bulimia nervosa. Family dysfunction, social-cultural with the stereotypes, and trauma, for example, an early abuse, sexual. Then I'm search a case study in which this study is for a Casey, is a girl 12 years old. First, she was diagnosed for depression and anxiety, and then she go treatment with medicaments, and then for 2 years she weight are overweight, and the fathers go to the hospital with Casey, and she was diagnosed for anorexia nervosa, and she reversed treatment, first with medicaments, and then individual therapy and therapy with her fathers, and counseling eating. The possible treatment, this depends on the symptoms, the child age, and general health. A major component of the family is the parent to take control of the children eating, and then he go to the hospital and the therapies with father individual, and it's necessary for medicaments, but it depend the children.